Right, the first topic for the square tricks is a 15 square to 155 square. Actually, you can continue on with the 5 square at the end with 5 square. So they are the same trick. Why we put 15 square to 155 square? Because this is the most common one that we might use most of the time. So we write down all the numbers down: 15 square, 25 square, 35 square, and so on up to 155 square. So while I'm writing, you will notice that all this number has a common ending, which is 5 square. So the last two numbers, which is the units and the tens, should be the same for all these numbers. So let's start with the first one. You notice it's 15 square and then end with 5 square. 5 square is actually equal to 25. So that means all this number you end with 25. So the next part to do this is very easy. As long as you know how to count 1, 2, and 3, and 4, then you know how to do this. And also you can multiply consecutive numbers or consecutive integers. So let's say this number is 1 of the 10th. So 1 times 2 will be 2. So it's 2, 25. Okay, let's try the second one. This is 2. What is the next number after 2? Which is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So it's 625. And then one more, 3. The next number of 3 is 4. 3 times 4 will be 12. So it's 1225. So some students will pronounce as 1225, but it's a bit troublesome. So just pronounce as 1225. It actually is faster. And how about the 10 here? So 105 is a 10. So 10 times 11. So it's 11025. So it's actually pretty easy questions and pretty easy tricks. So you can pause this video for 1 or 2 minutes and try it out. Technically, this one, if you get used to it, the time span should be about 10 to 15 seconds. Alright, so let's try it first and then pause it for a moment and come back later on. Alright, now you're coming back, so I will put down all the answer for you to check, see if you got them correct. Alright, so the next one is 2025, 3025, 4225, 5625, 7225, 9025, 13225, 15625, 18225, 21025, and 24025. So at the end for this one, which is 11 times 12, 12 times 13, 13 times 14, 14 times 15, 15 times 16. All these number has their own tricks. Alright, so in the future I will help you to learn the tricks over here. So we will stop here for the first part. Now we go on the second one, which is the 50s. It's 51 square to 59 square. Of course, they have a general rules for each tricks. General rule for the general tricks also, but now we try to do each separately because 50s is the second easiest one of all the tricks. So we start 51 square, 52 square, and up to 59 square. You notice that I'm skipping 55 square. You know why, right? So this is also very simple because just now was end with 5. Now it started with 5. So 5 square is also 25. So they all this number based on 25. And one more rule you need to know is 32 square to 99 square is all 4-digit number. 4-digit numbers. Okay. So here, all these are 4 digits. So that's why I draw 4 lines. In the future, you don't need these 4 lines at all. Now it just help you to guide you to understand how to do it differently. So now you take 25 plus the units. 25 plus 1. And 25 plus 1 is 26. The first 2 digits are 26. And after that, 1 square. 1 square is 1, but you have 2 spaces here. So instead of putting 1, you put 01. So it's 2601, which is 2601. 52 square, same thing. 25 plus 2, which is 27. So 2 square will be 4, which is 0, 4. Alright, so we try one more. So 25 plus 3 is 28. 3 square is 09. You must have 2 digits at the end. Okay, so that's it. So you can pause this video for a moment. So technically you will spend about 5 to 8 minutes or 10 minutes to complete all this. So now you try first and turn it on later on. Okay, let's come back to here. 54 so it's 29 16, 31 36, 32 49, 33 64, and 34 81. So it's pretty easy. So after this video, then next time we go on for the 90s and the 40s. Alright, thank you very much.